up, everybody? This is Paul
and Sam from Bareknuckle.
We just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're going to do to Cole's chopper here. He's got a really cool shovel head chopper that I guess we could almost call a stunt chopper because he definitely wheelies the hell out of it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade his front end to start with. We're going to go from this old 35mm to one of our 49mm narrow glides. That's going to open him up to a whole lot of options as far as performance-based parts to go inside. Upgraded brakes, and it's just a much sturdier, kind of a gnarly front end. They're just really burly and can handle the abuse of being wheelied and probably jumped. So we're going to do that. We're going to go through the engine, probably upgrade his carburetor to Electron. We're going to put some mid-controls on here. We're going to address some issues with the oil tank, if not replace the oil tank. And then we're just going to pretty up the primary side. That's about it. I mean, we're gonna go through this thing and make it just tough as nails and bulletproof. So stay tuned. Yeah, I should have mentioned the bars too, but I mean the pipes. He's gonna get a can from B&B, and we're gonna make some stainless 2-in-1.
I'll call him today, by the way, too.
Yeah, see if we can get these. But we'd rather just stick an 1.3.
This thing's gonna look crazy different, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Like, just looking at it now, I mean, here's the whole bike. It's gonna look way different.
Yeah.
Especially that front end. And just so you guys know, this is one of the front ends here. This is the 49, right?
Yeah. Yep. So it'll look just like that, except we'll be a little bit taller.
We're gonna do 4 over?
I think so, yeah.
4.
Yeah, because you're like 5 over right now, really. You're not quite at 6 for whatever reason. Compared to that. So the thing is like that might be a 6 over 35, but compared to that, you know,
Probably just had to do a new bottom end on it, you know? Yeah. We did big certs on it. Those didn't work. We did the other...
Look at the Hammer Performance website, because they'll do your whole engine, like bottom end and top end.
I think it's because it's an 8083. It's just
55 horses is what they make on them.
Jesus Christ, that's crazy.
It's retarded. Off of Sportster.
Right now, Sam's pulling the mids off, and then once the mids come off, probably gonna tackle the top end, or the tank and then the top end. She gonna be naked. This thing's gonna be a whole different wheelie machine. It's gonna be crazy.
Oh, yeah.
What were you saying?
These weren't very tight.
What do you mean?
Just your kids, man.
Everything loose over here? Everything rattling apart? How loose? Can't be that bad.
Go feel the belt on the other bike.
Is it bad? Oh yeah. What are you saying? I don't do maintenance?
it's skipping it first.
It's jumping or some shit.
Stuff for a skateboard there.
Mm-hmm. Grip tape. Little big grip tape. Your dad wouldn't use that on his chopper, would he? He would just gnarl it. What are you doing?
What's up, Cole?
Are you working?
Yeah, I'm working. You ready to work on a hair like yours, son?
You like that?
Look at that thing. Woo, baby.
Just wake up like that.
Yeah.
What's up, Bonnie?
What up?
Kickstand is off. That's another thing we're doing is we're gonna reload the kickstand to back here somewhere. Clean up the primary side, mid controls. She's gonna look good. Come here, babe. Come here. What you doing? Oh, pretty girl. What you doing, pretty girl? What you doing? It's Bareknuckle Bonnie. She a good girl. You smell Pom Pom, huh? You wanna meet Pom Pom? You want a new boyfriend? He be your boyfriend. He good boy. You sit? You sit? She's like, I'm out.
Lights on this car, baby.
What are you
On to the
doing?
next one.
Are you working today?
Yeah, I always work, baby. I work in my sleep.
She's gonna look crazy.
Oh yeah.
We're not gonna go 4 over.
6,
2.
2. I have 2 on mine out there, so you can see it looks like this. It'll be sweet.
It'll look good, right?
So that's Paul's stock, and we put it up there yesterday.
Yeah, it looked cool.
Yeah.
So tell everybody who you are.
CW, what's up? Just moved here from Virginia Beach. Help Paul kind of get his parts out there. T-shirts, stickers. All of our parts will be driving around in the van. Actually, let you put them in your hand. Hold on to them, touch them, feel them. You might not give them back. Then we'll just send you the bill.
That's the way to do it, right?
Yes, sir.
You excited to see what this thing's gonna do?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to see the chopper.
You think
Chopper with 49mm front end on it, narrow. It's gonna be pretty tight. Pretty tight.
some mid controls?
Mid. Get rid of a little bit of the death trap.
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, they chew your leg off or something, right?
You have to wear your little Velcro strap on that pair of jeans you got on so you don't get ripped off.
I just have holes in my jeans.
Look, here's mine from my bike. So yeah, do that. Awesome, dude.
Good seeing you.
You did. I'm ready if you are.
The tool bag. Handy dandy. What do you think about that wishbone frame, though? You like that? I think the 51 pan head frame.
Really, like a fortress.
Dude, that thing is sturdy. You know how much that thing, like, aerodynamics, the sturdiness, cuts through the wind.
This guy.
He said, this guy. It felt good, didn't it?
I was lucky enough that everybody was pretending like it would hurt a lot more than it would. So I was like, ow, it doesn't hurt that bad. Because I thought it would be like hell.
Yep, tattoos feel great. The older, the worse.
That was his neck tattoo.
Your dad does?
43.
He's gonna fucking hate life when he does it. That shit hurts.
He said the only reason he hasn't is because he don't want to give his mom a hug and thing.
I believe that. That's a valid statement.
Makes sense.
And the top end is gonna come apart. We will be back when it's done. That way we can play some music, because YouTube won't let us. And we'll be back. She's looking bare, bro. Looking good. Coming along, huh?
Yep.
You're making some headway, bro. Look at you go.
Hell yeah.
How you feeling? Home stretch?
Hungry.
Hungry. Hungry. And then here's the damage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we're gonna hit up S&S Cycles and get some good parts for this thing. Get them on the way. About to tear into the back cylinder and see what it looks like. You think the back's worse than the front?
I hope.
So you guys know, this is what CW does at work.
Union brake.
What happened on that walk to the gas station? You get hungry?
That's right,
Oh, come here, Bonnie's wanting some food. Are you wanting some food? We just did a giveaway, and where's your helmet at? What'd you do with it? So the giveaway, this William G16 216 guy won. He won $500 with the Continental tires, and then CW painted this sweetness. Good job, dude. Looks sick.
Thank you, thank you.
That guy got a nice piece of artwork.
Heading to you.
If he doesn't want to have you ship it out, I'll
Sure.
take it home for him. What are you over here doing? Packaging some orders?
Just got finished getting some package stores ready to take to Florida. Bring a few things with us down there so they can show our parts to them at the bike show itself. The bike show will be a main show. We'll be giving away a set of risers and a set of the bushings for the show. The show will then auction them off. The money goes to charity. The rest are going to be so people can see some of the parts that I'm bringing down. And that's where we're at right now.
When are you guys leaving?
Wednesday morning, Wednesday night, somewhere around there. I'll be heading down there and setting up on Friday, Saturday, breaking down Sunday, and back to the Midwest on Monday.
And where's it at in Florida?
Lakeland, Florida.
Woo! Lakeland's a good place.
It's about 70 degrees instead of 7.
Yeah, I already know. I already know.
We're there. Can't wait.
Well, you guys better get your hands on these parts while you're down there.
And we'll be bringing a bunch of these oil coolers with us too.
Oh, sweet.
Guards.
And that goes on the new style bike, the
Yep,
new Softail?
Softails.
Looks good, dude. That's clean. And those come with all the mounting stuff too, right?
Yes, sir. All the mountain hardware, everything to bolt it right on.
Slaving away.
Slave, baby.
What are you doing?
Eating again, bitches.
Sam brought us some food.
Eating again.
Woo! Cheeseburgers from the local bar. The local watering tap.
The local.
Local watering hole.
Local yucca.
CW's getting his stuff ready for this weekend in Florida. I just made his workload harder because I'm like, hey man, you gotta take one of these sets to show everybody. If you don't know, these can go straight up and down or pullbacks like this. So, pretty sweet. We have made, well, Sam's made a lot of progress today. I just kind of watched because Sam knows what he's doing. I don't. What do you think, dude? You think we're doing all right?
You got 2 different pistons.
Huh. Not for long.
This one's a little different.
I don't even remember. Go ahead. Your name, please.
I'm Sam from Bareknuckle, and today we took apart the top end off Cole's bike, and we started with the tank and the pipes, got all the way down to the heads and the jugs.
And we will start.
Where we're at.
And what are we gonna do tomorrow?
Ride wheelies and drink beer. I don't know. What are we doing tomorrow?
I don't know yet. I was hoping you had an answer. But we will see you
Probably start
guys.
looking at the front end tomorrow.
Ooh, damn. I like the sound of that. But we will get the parts from S&S Cycles to get this motor back together. We'll go ahead and get the front end. Probably go ahead and start on the front end tomorrow. We'll talk to Paul, see what he wants to do, and get this thing going.
Sure.
A lot of work done today. Good job, Sam. Killed it.
Thank you. Can you take time?
Yeah.
Stop. So it just, you notice it came loose, I guess, right? Oh, Jesus. These kind of straps suck.
I was jacking it up.
You definitely got that loose?
Pulling the frame down.
Alright, rubber mallet. Get kind of smacking.
She bent.
Just go ahead and start smacking under the riser bolt, please.
I thought I was fucking recording.
You weren't?
I didn't record that.
Fuck.
Oh well.
Kind of help him hold it.
You want to loosen up the front wheel chock?
Yeah, once we get to a certain point, we'll be able to just come right out of there. It's just compressing the front end. It's not sliding at all. Okay, everybody be alert. It's not even sliding on the tubes, it's just slowly compressing the spring.
This dude.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the alignment.
Ooh, watch it. Cole, stay back there. You have to push forward a little bit.
Gotcha.
Sam, hold the frame and the front end. I'm gonna do this the super hillbilly way.
I gotcha.
Coming back down.
That's probably about where she's gonna be sitting.
It's probably pretty close. It's not far off at all.
That looks fucking way better.
Yeah, it'll ride better too. It'll handle better.
You doing that, bud? The tail light and the headlight wire are the same wire.
I'd just cut it right through whatever
Yeah.
this is right here. You got snips, Sam?
Which drawer? You got as close to his finger as you could, didn't you? I've seen that.
Because I got as close to his finger with that mallet a minute ago.
I see how that works. What was even funnier is the smirk on his face. Whew.
There it be. Well,
What do you
good
think?
Good start for day one.
Day
We
one.
know where we're at now, too.
Day one in the books, and get back at it tomorrow.
Yep. Get some parts from S&S. Put some new suspension parts together. And go back together.
It's gonna look good. Sam busted his butt today. Good job, Sam.
Thank you.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.